Hi guys, my name is Trishan Kumar, son of Sundrajan. Today I would like to discuss about the error and approximation part 5. So let's begin. Okay, today I would like to discuss about the numerical problem 1 to 3 and the homework problem 1 to 3. So let's discuss about it. Okay, for the first question is find the truncation error in the result of the following function for x equal to 1 per 5 when we use first 3 term and the first 4 term. So this the question is this. So these are the question. Okay, so these are the type of the error. Solution A. So truncation error. When first 3 terms are used, so truncation error, so E equals to S approach is 7 term minus E equals to S approach is 3 term equal to E equals to S approach is last 4 term. So let's find the answers. So for x is 1 per 5, so equal to 0.2. So 0.2 is truncation. So truncation error is okay. So x3 is 3 per x plus x4 is 4 exclamation mark and x kuasa 5 and 5 exclamation mark and x kuasa 6 and 6 exclamation mark. So these are the answers. So these are the last 4 term. Okay, the next one equal to so 0.23 and 3x plus 0.2 and 4 and 4 exclamation mark and 0.2 is 5 kuasa 5 and 5 exclamation mark and 0.2 and kuasa 6 6 exclamation mark. So equal to, so let me calculate this. So 0.2 kuasa 3 and 3 1.3334. So 1.3334 times 10 plus 10 was negative 3 kuasa negative 3 plus this one 0.2 kuasa 4 per 4. So 6.6667. Okay, 6.6667 times 10 kuasa negatif 5 and plus 5 and 5. So 2.666. Okay, 2.666 times 10 kuasa negatif 6 and plus 6. Okay, 8.8889 times 10 kuasa 10 kuasa negatif 8. So equal to okay 1. Okay, equal to so negative 3 plus negative 5 plus negative 6 plus negative 8. So negative 22. So the answer is 0.14027 times 10 cosine negative 2. So that's the answer is that the final answer is this. Okay, so next question is truncation error when first 4 terms are added is 0.6942 times 10 kuasa negatif 4. So answer is 0.6942 times 10 cosine negative 4. So this answer. So guys, we we need to find out this number. We need to find out these answers to do for working out. Okay, so for question 2, so find the maximum absolute error in computing u equal to x quasi-3 y quasi-3 per z when x equal to y equal to z equal to 0.1 and so triangle x equal to triangle y and equal to triangle z equal to 0.002. Okay, solution. For a function u equal to f is x, y, z, the absolute error triangle u can be approximated using the partial derivative of u with respect to x, y, and z as follow. Okay, this one triangle u. Okay, so triangle u is du and dx, and this one the triangle x plus du and dy triangle y, du and dz triangle z. So that's the formula for first step. That's the solution. That's the formula. Okay, next one for partial derivative. So partial derivative, so WRT, so h is, so du and dx equal to d per dx is, so x3 y3 is z. Okay, equal to, so how much? So 3x2 y3 per z. So that's the A solution. That's the A step. Step A. Okay, and the next step is Y. And the next step is Y. So du and dy. So we can do d per dy. Okay, x3 y3 per z. So equal to 3x3 y2 and per z. So B, step B. So that's the step B of the y. Partial derivative is with y. Okay, and the last one is z. Du and dz equal to, so d per dz, so times x3 x cos-3 y cos-3 per z, so equal to negative x3 y3 equal per z2 z cos-2. So that's the step C. Answer is negative x cos-3 y cos-3 per z cos-2. Okay, now putting the value of, so A, B, and C equal is 1. Step 1. Okay, let's say so this formula is triangle U is du and dx. So triangle x plus du and dy is triangle y, and du and dz is triangle z. Okay, equal to, so 3x2 y3 per z plus, oh sorry, so 3x cos-2 y cos-3 per z times triangle x plus 3x cos-3 y cos-2 per z times xy, the triangle y. Okay, so and plus, okay, plus negative x 3y3. Negatif x kuasa 3, y kuasa 3 per z kuasa 2. So times triangle z. We have x, y z equal to 0.1. And so triangle x equal to triangle y equal to triangle z is 0.002. Okay, so we get so we get triangle U is 3 times 0.1 kuasa 2 times 0.1 kuasa 3 and 0.1 times 0.002. So sorry for that. We need to go for next page lah. Do it don't have pace. Let's go for the next page. Okay, so we get, so triangle U is 3 times 0.1 kuasa 2 times 0.1 kuasa 3 per 0.1 times 0.002. Okay, this one x plus, okay, 3 times 0.1 kuasa 3 times 0.1 kuasa 2 per 0.1 times 0.002 and plus, okay, 0.1 kuasa 3 times 0.1 kuasa 3 per 0.1 kuasa 2. So time 0.002. So the answer is 6 times 10 kuasa negatif 7 plus 6 times 10 per negatif 7 plus 2 times 10 kuasa negatif 7. So the answer is 14 times 10 kuasa negatif 7. So this is the answer. So this is the answers. Okay, so the next one is, the next one, okay, so the maximum absolute error, error in computing U. Okay, computing U is triangle U is 14 times 10 kuasa negatif 7 and maximum relative error. Maximum relative error. Triangle U per U. Okay. We know U equal to x kuasa 3, y kuasa 3 per z equal to, so 0.1 kuasa 3 times 0.1 kuasa 3 per 0.1 divided by 0.1. Okay, so equal to 1 times 10 kuasa negatif 5. Okay, thus maximum relative error if triangle U per U, okay, equal to, so 40 times 10 kuasa negatif 7 divided by 10 kuasa negatif 5, so equal to, so 14 times 10 kuasa negatif 2, So that's the answers. Okay, and the final step is percentage error, and the last one is percentage error. Percentage error is so triangle u per u. Okay, triangle u per u times hundreds. So equal to 14 times 10 cosine negative 2 times hundreds. So percentage, so equal to 14. So that's the answer. That's the final answer is percentage, 14 percentage. For so that's the final answer is 40% in the percentage error. Okay, the next question is determine the absolute error EA of the following approximate number given their relative error XA equal to 67.84 and ER equal to 1%. Solution. We know ER equal to so EA divided by XA. Okay, so 1 per 100 times EA, very simple, so 67.84, so equal to EA equal to so 67.84 divided by hundreds, so equal to 0.6784. So that's the final answer. So that's the final answer in question 3. Okay, so these are the homework problem 1. So question 3, the first one is homework problem is find the absolute relative and percentage error in computing u equal to 7xy per z cos theta when x equal to y equal to z equal to 1 and triangle x equal to triangle y equal to triangle z equal to so 0.001. So these are the answers. The absolute error equal to 0.035, relative error equal to 0.005, and percentage error equal to 0.5%. So that's the answer. So the guy, we need to find out this answer and try to find the answers. So please check this solution of homework problem 1. So please check this solution for find out the answer. And this one and this one. And this one. And this one. So one absolute error is 0.035 answers. So that's the answer, 0.035 absolute error. Okay, the second one, relative error, so answer is 0.005 and percentage error answer is 0.5%. Okay, the second one is homework problem. Question 4. For find the absolute, relative and percentage error for the function u equal to 5xy cos 2 per z cos 3. Consider x equal to y equal to z equal to 1 and triangle x equal to triangle y equal to triangle z equal to 0.001. Okay, so the answer is absolute error 0.03, relative error equal to 0.006 and percentage error equal to 0.6%. So that's the answers. So the guy, we need to find out this answer in the same question. So please try to find out this answer. If you find out this answer, therefore you may check this solution of homework. You may check this solution and this one and this one and this one. And this one, so that's the answer. 0.03 is absolute error. Okay, now relative error. So relative answer is 0.006 and the percentage error answer is 0.6%. Okay, and the last one, homework problem, and the last question is this. A civil engineer has measured the height of a 10th floor building as 2915 centimeter and the working height for each beam as 35 centimeters. Why the truth value are 2945 centimeter and 30 centimeter respectively? Compare their absolute and relative error. So the solution in measured height equal to 2950 centimeters and true height equal to 2945 centimeters. Absolute error in measuring the height of this building is, so it is, so 2950 minus 2945 equal to 5 centimeters. So that's the answers. So the relative error, so 0.0017 and the percentage error answer is 0.17%. So that's the answer is this. Okay, now working with height of each line, measure height equal to 35 centimeter. True height equal to 30 centimeter. So the absolute error is 35 minus 30 equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, for the relative error is 5 per 30 equal to 0.167 and the percentage error equal to 0.167 times 100 percentage equal to, so answer is 1.67% in the percentage error. Okay, although the absolute error are the same, the relative error differ by 100 times. It shows that there is something wrong in the measurement or height of the beam. It should be done more accurately. Okay, that's all for now. So thank you so much. So the next course is discrete mathematics. So start date from 4 April 2026. So thank you so much and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can wait for the next video and take care and goodbye.